What's up, YouTube? So let's get into the video. Now, first of all, I want to identify where the market opened this week. So according to daily time frame, today is Tuesday and then yesterday Monday, so somewhere here, but this is not necessarily going to give us the exact location. So I'm just going to let me just put a candle there first, then let me go down to 1 hour. So if you look down here, you can see the dates, Friday, and it actually dropped on the exact, it dropped on, okay, almost the exact spot. So this is where Monday started from. Now, since price opened, we're going to be discussing this range, what gold is doing within this range, and probably it's going to come down here. But this is the range that price is moving in now. Currently, this is the high so far that the week has gone, and this is the low so far that the week has gone. So if you go down to, there are actually many strategies that people are using to trade this market, but what I see currently is that, we are in August, and August is break, all this summer, whatever. So markets are actually, there are a lot of holidays, and those breaks actually affect the market. But one thing I know is that no matter the market condition, if you draw your trend lines well, you will see the direction. For example, now this trend line that I just drew, if you go down to a lower time frame, you're going to see that price tapped on it 3 times and broke out. So all these normal trend line traders now, after this breakout, they will just maybe find a sell somewhere here, that kind of thing. Now they show 3 and they are done for the day. But for someone like me, I don't trade this type of stuff. This particular type of market period is where me personally, I can't even find setup. That's just the truth. I went down to all these places, lower time frame, and the only thing that looked like a setup for me today was actually a trap. It was from here. See, I see price was reacting to the upside. If I go down to 5 minutes, you're even going to see it clearer. So it was as though price wanted to go up. Look at it. But whenever market condition is in this type of season, especially when market has not opened for long, like for example, this is just Tuesday, so you cannot expect the market to be normal till that kind of Wednesday, sometimes even till Thursday. So when it was reacting from here, normally you'll be like, oh, this rejection is time to buy now. But I discovered that all this rejection was not actually going anywhere. But based on my strategy, I was supposed to enter. In fact, if you look at this place, you're going to see that price did this low, this high, took our liquidity below the low, came here, gave another, this is supposed to be like structural liquidity now. And then it now came back, took out this structural liquidity here, and did as if we want to pump up. Then it did not pump up. It now came down again, gave us this low, this high again, swept this low, came like this, gave us structural liquidity, left, came back, took out this structural liquidity, and was already going. Then boom, everything wasted. So what they did here now, they accumulated a lot of trades, a lot of people that have this strategy that I used to trade now. They will be looking for buys. But what saved me today was I just went to Google and I searched XAUUSD forecast for today, and it showed me bearish. And normally I said I don't trade on Tuesday, so I wasn't even looking for anything. And that was how it was. So Google was actually right. There are times that Google can actually tell you bearish and markets will buy, but I feel like Google is analyzing based on the fundamental and the news, what's going on and what's most likely to happen. So it has a high win rate, and I recommend everybody to check that before taking trade. So but based on my strategy now, if I was supposed to trade tomorrow or next, I'm going to be expecting price to pull back here. If price doesn't do that, then there will be no trades for this week. I'm expecting price to pull back here, and then I'm going to draw this as my inducements, because there's a rule that says that whenever you have two breaker blocks, price will use the first one to move, and then that first one becomes liquidity for when price will come and use the second one. And if you look here, you're going to see that price did, after this second touch, and then this is the first touch, this is the second touch, and then this is the third touch of the trend line. But price now went up and cleared these two breaker blocks, this one and this one. Price cleared them all. Then what did price do? Price now gave us liquidity, right? And then that's when price used the first one, this one here. This is where the body of the candle is. So it has used the first breaker and it has gone. So what do you expect? We expect it to come back and use the second one too. If it doesn't do that, then I'm afraid there's not going to be any trade for this week. But if you look at it, this is where the body of the candle is. So this is the first breaker and this is the second breaker. You see, perfectly played out for the first one. So this is just going to be my anticipation for this week. If this doesn't happen, then all the best to the week. We continue another week. But you can see how this actually has a sniper entry. You know, we in SMC, what we do there is you must always find a reason. Look at 42 pips stop loss, and then you now target, let's say, I don't know, but I mean, this is a reasonable 15. Like me now, I trade 16 risk to reward. So wherever I'm entering from, I just said 16 risk to reward. And normally, my stop loss doesn't even reach 40 pips. So this can easily be a good trade to close a winning day like that, you know. But that's not the plan. So the goal now is to wait for tomorrow to see if price comes here on next tomorrow. But whenever it comes here, let me just set my alert for that. And then whenever price comes here, I'm going to execute. I think I'm even going to do it live. I think I'll do that because I've never gone live on YouTube, sef. So whenever price gets here, anticipate we're going to be trading live. But I'm not going to be entering on the spot. I'm going to be waiting for lower time frame confirmation, something that's going to do like this. It's going to like tap on it, then give me small liquidity on 5 minutes, and then after that, boom, then we're going to sell. So see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get it.